uh, uh, intelligence. I sing from letting them know that I know who they are.
I just got a new coat still. Okay. Got a little brand new feel. Not so fast, switch play, cut your car wheel. I'm on top, self-made, I'm the real deal.
This is an impromptu video. Hello tribe, I hope you guys are doing well. And I'm going to do this full video with my sunglasses on, which I apologize in advance for. If you know me, you know why, all right? In any event, where the vision came from. Hold on, I want to show you something. Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful this place is? You see that big tree right there where I take my yoga blanket or yoga thingy and lay under? This kind of environment will inspire you for many ideas. Many. Hold on. Many ideas. I think a lot of my creative energy is because I'm not as tapped in with the physical world in a sense of, like social media, all of these things. This is my gig. This is where I get my creative juices going. This is how I get in contact with the highest level of myself and ideas, and how I try to work out a story. I want to share something about this space right here, okay? Which is, I'm not really big on crowds. This is kind of my judge, have the whole place by myself. This is what I like, because it allows me to really get deep. And looking at that hawk, look at that hawk. Oh, hi. Oh, okay, wait, I'm going to try to show you guys this hawk. Hold on. Can you see him there? He's bigger than what you're seeing on this camera, I can bet you that. But oh gosh, he's gone now. In any event, when I am creating or I'm writing a book, I need to have a place where there's peace and quiet, when there's nature. That's how I'm able to be my creative self. It's how I get ideas. It's how I get it to expand a story or to change a story that I'm going to write. And I think that when we are tapped in constantly to these systems like social media, and tapped into having to do things in order to get things out of it, it kind of messes up the human experience, or the human ability to be creative, to use the imagination, to be as creative as one can be. And so this is how I find my space. I'm going to let this video finish out, because I believe this is where you'll be able to hear what I'm trying to say. But because we're so inundated with extreme stimuli constantly, your feed is feeding you. Your feed is absolutely feeding you. So as you're scrolling, it's feeding your spirit, it's feeding your mind, it's feeding your thoughts, it's feeding your insecurities, it's feeding how you feel about yourself emotionally. It's feeding all of that. And so my choice to live my life quiet, protected, and at peace. And here we are again. I was basically just saying that I made a conscious decision a long time ago, coming from where I come from. I've always had these big dreams of living a life where minimal violence, if possible, healthy relationships where people genuinely love each other in a way that is not destructive in nature. That's what I wanted for my life, and I made a conscious decision, unapologetic about it, adamant about it, and even forceful at times. This is my life. This is the way it will run. That was my decision many years ago, by looking around my environment and deciding I want something different. The reason why I'm sharing that and this space with you guys is I encourage everyone or anyone watching this video, make a decision about how you want to live your life. Be adamant about it. Don't let up. Stand firm. Dream it. Visualize it. Take small steps every day to reach the goal that you want. It may not be as fabulous as someone else's, but allow it to be all your own. You can have the life of your dreams, but you have to be brave enough to go and get it. The second part of this is that we live in a life where we're so bombarded with other people's life and how they're living it and how they're getting it. And I want to remind you, get it how you live. Get it how you live. However you're going to do that, get it how you live. But let it be a representation of what you want for yourself. And sometimes that means you have to unplug from the systems that's making you feel less than who you are as a human being. Create a space, find a space, go to a space where you can get a spiritual download, where you can get all kind of creative juices flowing, where you can get your mind clear, you can think straight. And I promise you, you'll see changes happen. Small changes start to happen first. And then you'll see that everything that you wanted starts to manifest. I'm going to finish up this video and this voiceover and go straight into a vlog. Just sharing a few clips, not much, just a few clips that I had on my phone from the last couple of weeks.
I will love you, keep it real with you, I will care for you.
The DJ is really doing his thing. Well, mine is stuck over there in that room. Y'all remember the song? Teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie. Down, down. Do y'all remember this song? My God, this was called the Woo! Down, down. Woo! $10, okay. I don't know what size she would wear, but let's get her. Is a large fit or an extra large? She's an older woman, so she's probably gonna want to be. Let's get her one of these. Is that a box of chocolates? What's this? A fruit cake. Was she like that?
Very good. That's all I'm telling you.
Okay. That'll be a good gift. Alright. We'll get her that. This has candies inside. Alright, I think I did good. A bottle of wine, a glass, and a t-shirt, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's fair enough. Yeah, okay. You see the behind me? You see? All the little things. There's a It's so pretty. Can you see them? All the way down there.
I used to think if I couldn't find hope, I should just let it all go. I used to think if I couldn't make dreams come true, I should just let them all